My channel will help you improve your English pronunciation. That's a fact. I've already helped thousands of students, and my mission is to help you too. Today, I want to tell you about how I'm going to help you improve even faster. I'm starting a group called Pronunciation Room 101, where we'll be looking at all your pronunciation problems. Each month, you will get tips to improve your English pronunciation, access to a student questions video. The next question is from Ram in Jodhpur in India. Yes, I'll be answering students' questions. Well, Ram, it's not just your problem. It's the whole world's problem. Well, it seems to me. And information I don't include in my YouTube channel. The sort of information you only find in a paid course. And much, much more. So how do you join and get all this free teaching? Just sign up using this link, which is also in the description below. Love and peace.